found an
D.
helicopter.
Barbara puffed. Fuck.
Where the fuck are we?
Buddy, this looks...
It looks good, honestly.
Side map. Looks really realistic. Jesus. Jesus Christus! Buddy, are we in a military or what are we?
There's someone called Fish Eye and Kelvin with me.
Yeah,
And
same.
there's
I think we're the same character. Barbara. Barbara looks like the type of woman to ask at a Starbucks a plain coffee. You know?
Virginia? Yeah.
Edward Bufton looks like he talks. Haha, my good sir. I would like a good plain coffee. Why the fuck is he looking at me like that? Hey, what's going on, bitch?
Sitemap, aerial view, last transmission.
That's fine. I know. I'm finished.
Contact points, none. Okay.
Fight.
Why not?
Demons. The fuck? What's happening? Are we getting shot at? Got them. Jesus. Okay, stabilizing. Why the fuck am I... Excuse me.
Hung? Why are we hung?
We have a parachute. Oh no! Oh, they're alive! They're alive! I thought we were dead.
Who's live?
The others.
Oh yeah, okay, the drivers.
I thought they would all be dead.
Yeah, me too. That was
Oh god. Please don't die. No!
No! What is he doing?
No!
No! The door. Oh nah.
Even more! Please tell me the others are alive.
Oh damn! The door fell on him.
Please, no, don't do it! Don't! What the fuck? Why the
Oh nah. Why are we cutting the rope?
We did.
Oh nah.
Who the fuck is that? God damn!
I mean, we're like we're definitely alive. Like we're the main character, but still.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Is that the guy?
Shoot this bitch ass! Shoot this bitch ass! Oh no, he just... Buddy.
Oh.
Fuck, why did he leave us alive? Are we naked? I gotta...
hear you talk.
Well, yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm just...
Perfect, okay.
Perfect. Buddy, this looks so...
Attends, je vais juste enlever la musique, cause like...
Yeah, sure. Fuck is...
Good morning.
Shit, I think there's somebody.
No, dude, it's the guy. Look, there's someone on the ground. Otis, there's someone on the ground.
Please. Now let me just...
Oh, ses oreilles. Dude, his ears.
Okay, perfect. So let me try something.
Okay, add item. Map. Walkie-talkie, utility knife.
Oh wait, there's what?
Utility knife.
How do we drop something? Do you know how to... Oh, there's a walkie-talkie.
Yeah, there's a walkie-talkie.
Whoa, this is cool. Okay, how can we...
Yeah, it's gonna be...
How can we drop this shit?
Drop what? Okay, thank you.
Fuck.
So there's an axe and a knife.
There's an
and a
axe?
guidebook and the lighter. Yeah, in the emergency thing.
That's the backpack. Let me put... Light color. Power on. Buddy, we can literally... That's a rock. I don't think that's... No, that's you.
Let me just read the guidebook. Improvised survival handbook.
Okay, you have the things, cause I don't...
Mais en fait, t'appuies sur I et après à côté, il y a une sorte de petit sachet. Il y a un petit sachet comme ça. Dude.
Select the backpack.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I wanna see. No, I'm not sure.
What are you doing? A knife is not gonna do the work, you know.
Oh,
Need a
goddamn. Rock?
move. An axe. You have an axe. T'appuies sur I. Et après, il y a un petit sachet comme ça. Comme
Oh, Thomas, hold I. The fuck?
Hold I. Oh, okay.
Wait,
GPS tracker.
a small. Oh, emergency pack.
Okay, well,
Buddy, I don't have a. No, in my emergency pack,
Yeah.
I have an. Oh, yeah, no, I can open. But how the fuck is the entire axe?
Dude, I have no idea how there's a whole fucking axe. Ça sert à rien. It doesn't serve as anything for now. For now, we don't
Really?
need to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. No, that's okay. He's gonna make a fire. That's okay.
Do we stay here?
Yeah, just for now.
I hope he survives. I like him.
So like, yeah, I hope too.
Oh, Thomas.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, hold on. Attends, t'as vu? Ils sont territorial. Did you see that?
Let's
They
fuck him up.
acting
Where
like...
it's our
No,
territory now.
Wait.
What?
No, because he can climb. Look, he can climb trees. Ça sert à rien. He's already
Oh.
on the tree.
Shouldn't we try to get some food? Thomas!
Yes, exactly.
Look over there.
We have food. I think we have food.
Yeah, we have food, but like...
Oh, he made a tree.
He made a what?
Thanks, dude. Hold on. Attends, je vais juste lui dire... hold on, I'm just gonna tell him something.
He made a what? Oh, goddamn.
He made a fire.
How did he make one?
Okay, problem. That is going to add... ça va attirer, I think, stuff. Probably not animals, but people. So like, if there's someone just...
Okay, so what's the plan? The
plan is make a tent, but I'm going to make it, don't worry. I have what...
And what do I have to do? Give me a task.
What I need you to do is find me a stick and another one... Attends, je vais te montrer, attends. Un autre truc comme ça, attends. Attends, 2 secondes.
Oh, look at him.
No, not the lighter.
You good, buddy? Okay. Fuck. You can ask him to make...
There's a butterfly on my axe. There's a butterfly on my axe.
I don't see it, buddy.
Oh, man.
You dumbass.
It's like, I could see it, you know. That was so cool.
Where did he go?
Don't worry. He's not gonna be that far, I think.
Oh, now I should take it now. Cooked meat.
Yeah,
You want some
go on.
cooked meat?
Oh. No, I'm not hungry.
Okay.
What I need is to find more of that stuff I found already. Oh, there's a flare. Dude, there's a flare.
Oh, wait.
Okay, go on, take your time.
Okay, do we go there or do we stay here?
Here, look, here.
Oh.
That's a flare.
Took both.
Like, I already
No.
have a flare, so like... Did you just eat a mushroom?
Buddy, I forgot that if we hold down, we eat the things.
Okay. Dude, I hope your
It's
character is
time
not
to
gonna
hear
die.
you sing!
Dude! Was that you?
No.
Dude, that... my health, motherfucker.
Word. Come on. I dare you. Try me. No, it's fine.
I got an axe.
Did brother just throw it? You know, let me try skipping. With the water, you know?
Skipping. Oh, yeah, okay.
So peaceful. Why do we have to worry? I got them.
There's literally people ready to feed us.
Nah. I don't know what you mean. Interesting. Floor, no. Stairs, no, that's not what I mean. Is that really all we can do? So I place it down. Okay, let me try that. Thomas, do you know how to place down a stick? No, but
The how to make
oh,
space.
that's how we do it. Oh God,
Wait, no, 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 no. Oh, I made a fire.
what the fuck is our? Oh, no.
Yeah, he's over here. Kevin is here. With that.
Oh, what is he? I'm gonna go get some things. Let me see if there's anything. Make sure to use your walkie-talkie.
Okay, okay.
I can't seem to find anything interesting. God damn, can we even go to that? Okay, so
What?
what?
You just leave? What was
Oh
that?
God, oh God, there's a camp.
It's a camp?
There's a random ass camp.
Hold on, cause
Thomas,
I
Thomas,
yeah.
look behind you. Nah, just kidding. Pretty sure that was
Okay,
something,
I'm
but
gonna cut you.
buddy, calm down,
Ok,
calm
attends,
down.
je vais voir comment je peux faire pour faire
The
ça.
animatronics do get a little bit croaky at night.
Before you is an animatronic found in the back alley. It is your job to complete the maintenance checklist before claiming it as salvage. Or, if you choose to, you can throw it back outside.
Apparently we can. Je sais pas comment, but we
Go.
can. Okay. We can save though. Hold on, I'm gonna save. Je te conseille de sauvegarder toi aussi.
Yeah.
Alright, dude. Pretty nice, honestly. It's a good beginning. And we can also sleep, but right now I don't think.
Sure.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
I'm also gonna. I mean, yeah, just for now, you know.
How can we drop?
Drop.
Oh. Oh, G is to drop. Where is it, brother?
Hold on, I just got a fire.
What the fuck? Buddy, you're not. You're
I
not.
love you so. Attends, je vais juste faire. I'm just gonna make a. What was that noise?
It's me,
Dude,
just
I'm
throwing
becoming.
rocks.
I'm becoming. Putain, je suis en train de devenir paranoïaque à cause de toi.
Do you hear the whistles? Do you hear the whistles? Buddy, look what he just took out of his ass.
What did he take out of his ass?
A fucking tent.
No, the tent was already. What?
Buddy, he just randomly took. Okay, buddy, raccoon. Okay,
Dude,
guys.
you crushed the tent. You crushed the tent when you jumped on it.
You are sick. Do need you to get some. I need you to get.
Deactivate.
Come on, buddy. Come on. I need you to hunt something. Get.
Not anyway.
Buddy, why can't. Okay. Some meat. Okay.
How's it doing on your side?
Pretty good. Just got out. Need to hunt something.
Okay.
Raccoony, what the fuck are you? But he disappeared. Did bro just disappear like out of thin air? Yes, yes. Cool. Nah, it's too cute. Raccoons are also super cute. It's just that it's not as cute as. Yeah, like.
Whoa, scared me.
What's up?
No, it was a deer. It ran up to me. Hit the shit out of me. There's fish.
Oh no, this. Shit.
I see a pathway. I think I'm gonna follow it and then I'm gonna come back. If I don't see anything. Otis, I can't see your name anymore.
You shouldn't go that far.
Oh wait, I said nothing. I can see
No,
your name.
God
That's
damn
okay.
it. God damn it! Why? It's actually so
Everything's
annoying.
okay?
Yeah. Yeah, how can we break like a bit of log?
I have no idea. Search it up, I
Buddy,
think.
Nelson, Kevin, what the fuck are you doing? No, it's fine. Nelson, please take a break. Like Jesus, fuck are you doing? I'm hungry. Like, you ain't doing shit.
Devil's Club.
Devil's Tango. What?
That's Fly Amanita.
No, I need this.
Come on, run away, little guys. I'm not gonna kill you.
I'm gonna. Still
It's
don't
honestly
seem to
pretty
understand.
peaceful for now.
Of course, bro.
Just the nature.
Maybe I need to cut like this.
But it's disturbingly silent. There's no animals.
What?
Thomas.
Thomas.
What?
Is that a three-legged
What's wrong?
girl? I need you to come back. I need you to come back this instant.
Dude. Okay, I'm coming. Dude, there's cannibals. They're following me, dude. Dude, okay,
Buddy,
don't worry,
there's
I'm
a
fine.
three-legged girl over here.
Okay, is she dangerous? Is
She
she
isn't
attacking
me.
you?
She isn't attacking.
Can you approach her? Like, take a weapon and approach her. But, like, don't hit her. Just approach her.
Yeah.
Like, I found cannibals. I don't know if they're following. Okay, no.
She's running. Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Thomas,
Dude.
do you need me to create a wall?
No. Don't worry. I'm okay. I think they stopped. Dude, Jesus. They're on the fucking trees, dude.
On the.
Holy fucking shit, dude.
You sound like.
They're laughing. They're laughing and shit. Dude, I can hear them around me. I don't. There's bodies. I just saw. Dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, take a weapon or something. Holy
Buddy, I'm so hungry,
shit.
but I don't know how to make a fire.
Oh, nah, this is bad.
Okay.
Oh, this.
What?
I think they're. Dude, I can hear them.
Stop scaring me.
It's genuinely. I remember one thing from like un truc dont je me rappelle de like from the forest. The fire scares them. So like if you see one of them, just like put out a torch or something, light it up and scare them.
I'm making a fire anyways.
That's very good. Try to hunt also. Like if you can hunt something.
I've got some meat, but not much.
Oh, dude, I'm back. Oh my god.
Oh, dude. That was bad. Okay, do you want me to find some meat? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try to kill
Yeah.
that animal.
The fuck? Yes. Buddy, I can't hear you.
The girl you were talking about, I think she's back.
Yeah, she's weird. But still smashable. What?
Let me just
What?
let me just get closer.
What? Did I say something? Did I say something?
Yeah,
Guys, did I say something?
said something.
Did I say something?
No, no you didn't.
She's smashable. What? Buddy, Kevin, please, would you nicely, nicely do something? Oh, poor guy. Nah, poor guy. Fuck you. You don't have food? No.
I do have food, I do have food.
Oh my god, I forgot to take out the freaking
Take out the what?
food.
Oh.
Shit.
Don't worry, I'm gonna put some. Here,
Oh,
I have some
you
cookies
put it?
for
No,
you.
okay. Okay, you please. Give me
When it's
some.
cooked, you can eat it.
Give me some fucking logs. And drop me here. Logs. I need a wall done by today, okay? Like Trump, okay? Please, thank you. Can we make seats or something? Or not?
Seeds? Let me see. Hold on.
Like, I wonder if we can make an actual base, like something like that.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, Raccoon. Shh. Buddy, look at him! Look!
What?
Jeez! Perfect.
L'aura de baiser, wesh!
The aura!
2 fucking logs. Excuse me.
Buddy, I
Attends,
don't give a
hold
fuck.
on, let me just...
I'm doing Trump method. Keeping them out.
Hold on, just... How do I drop that without... there you go. Here, you do it. Whatever you need to do. Oh, you made a window. Nice. We have a little window now.
Yeah, I definitely intended to do it.
That was totally a window.
Come over here. Got you. Jesus.